Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you a proper method to recover files and also clear a big misconception people usually have about formatting and data recovery. First thing you're seeing on screen is CMD with disk part. I've already formatted my USB and completely wiped it using disk part, like fully clean, not just a normal format. I ran list disk just to show all connected drives, then selected disk 2, which is my USB, and after that I used clean all. This command literally overwrites the drive, so in theory, nobody should be able to recover anything from it. After that, I typed exit and closed it. Now just to demonstrate, when I double-click the USB, Windows doesn't even open it properly. It straight up asks me to format the drive. If I click format from here, most of the time it doesn't work. And yeah, you can leave everything default. The volume label is just the USB name. You can change it or leave it, doesn't matter. But honestly, this method fails a lot. So the proper way is disk management. You can do this from CMD as well, but I don't recommend it because it can bug out sometimes. In disk management, you'll see unallocated space for your USB. Right-click on it, choose New Simple Volume, use the maximum disk size, assign any drive letter you want, click Next, then Next again. Don't change anything. Within like 2 or 3 seconds, the drive pops up fresh and empty. Now at this point, the USB is totally wiped. There's nothing inside it. Just to prove that, I'm opening RecoveryFox AI. I'll let it scan a few percent, like 5 or 6%, and you'll see there's literally nothing showing up, which makes sense because the drive was wiped properly. Now let's do a real-world test. I'm opening 2 File Explorer windows side by side. I'm copying a few files into it. 1 image, 1 exe, 1 MP3, and 1 zip file. That's enough for a demo. Now I delete all these files from the USB, then I empty the recycle bin as well. And just to make it more interesting, I'll also quick format the USB again. A lot of people think once you format a drive, data is gone forever. That's not true in most cases. So now let's open RecoveryFox AI again, select the USB drive, which is Z drive, and start scanning. Within the first few seconds, you'll notice it already starts showing files. It might say like 10 items, but that usually includes folders too. In my case, I can clearly see the exe file, the JPG image, the MP3, and the zip file. That's exactly what I copied earlier. And here's a tip. If you already see the files you're looking for, you don't need to scan 100%. Just select those files and stop there. Select them one by one and click Recover. Now when you recover, always make a new folder on a different drive. Never recover files back to the same USB or disk you're scanning. I'm creating a folder on my desktop, selecting it, and boom, recovery complete. 4 files recovered successfully. Let's open them. You can see the exe file is there, the JPG image opens fine, the MP3 plays properly, and the zip file can be extracted without any issue. So yeah, data is fully recovered. This is RecoveryFox AI. You can find the link in my description if you're interested. There are tons of recovery tools out there, but honestly, this one is pretty easy to use, scans fast, and the interface is clean, which I really like. You can also just Google RecoveryFox AI and download it from their official site. The trial version lets you scan and preview files to see if your data is recoverable. Once you're satisfied, you can purchase it and recover everything. Pricing-wise, they have weekly and monthly plans, but I don't recommend those. The 1-year plan makes way more sense, and the lifetime option is also solid if you deal with data recovery a lot. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope this clears the confusion about formatting and file recovery. If you liked this tutorial, you know what to do. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and stay safe.